The LG B20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A20 for Beach Mobile. So the Galaxy A20 is not here at Beach Mobile as of today, July 30th, 2019. So this is the A20. So this is Beach Mobile's second Galaxy A phone within like 2 weeks. So that is really cool. So this is better than the Galaxy A10 that Beach got last week. So it's currently out of stock. It's $199.99 right now. It's currently on sale. It's the full retail price of the Galaxy A20 is $229.99. But it's currently on sale at $199.99. So you're saving $30. So if you guys want to get more, you type in summer 2019 and y'all guys will get 20% off from what the price is at $199. So y'all guys will get this one a bit cheaper if you guys are interested. So this is the Galaxy A20 right there, nice looking phone. This has a teardrop notch, looks very nice. It has a it also has an 18:9 screen. The wallpaper looks very nice as well. So on the right side of the phone, you have your volume buttons right here and your power button right here. So your teardrop notch, your Beach Mobile logo right here on the top left. So it's pretty nice shortcut to your camera, and your phone that also has the one UI element from Samsung. Right side, the volume button and power. That's it on the right side of the phone. On the left side of the phone, then there's a SIM card tray right here on the upper right, on the left. But there's a SIM card. There's a right side of it again. Here's the back of the Galaxy A20. It does have dual cameras, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Samsung logo, and that is it. It's available in black here, y'all guys can see. So the specs on the Galaxy A20, and this is a mid-range phone. So they keep it in mind. It has a 6.4-inch display, 13 megapixel replacement camera, 31 hours of talk time, 32 GB of storage, Android 9.8 Pie with Samsung One UI. So it says here, step up to the fan you've been wanting. Step up to the fan you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A20. Keep calling, emailing, and texting with a long-lasting battery and power backup quickly with fast charging. So that's a 1. Keep more thanks to 32 GB of built-in memory and capture the moment with the dual lens camera. Then view it all on a vibrant 6.4-inch edge-to-edge infinity display. Finally, a phone that fits you and your budget. So of course, how it works is you order the phone you want, wait for the phone to arrive, and pick a new contract point, and you can activate online if you guys want. So there you have it. So the features of the Galaxy A20, it also has all that battery, fast charging of course, go along with that all-day battery. The Galaxy A20 gives you more time to post, talk, text, and share with friends and family. It has a wide lens camera, capture more of what you actually see, just as you see it, with an ultra-wide 123-degree field of vision that lets you fit everything and everybody in the picture. It also has an infinity display, of course, so that's a 1. It says enjoy a bold, bright viewing experience on a 6.4-inch screen with an infinity display that gives edge to edge. You can see more story before you scroll. So that is really nice. The screen display is 720p plus display, so yeah, 720p by 1520, something like that. I think that's the resolution. It says keep more with 32 GB of built-in memory. You can keep more of your photos, shows, movies, and apps without having to delete too many ones if you need more space. Expand your memory up to 5 GB with a micro SD card and store up to 100,000 photos. So there you have it. The Galaxy A20 of course has Android 9.8 Pie with Samsung One UI. It says Android 9 adapts to you and how you use your phone, learning your preferences as you go. Your experience gets better and better over time, and it keeps things running smoother longer. The Galaxy A20 also features Mexico roaming capable, of course, so that is a one. So if you guys are going to Mexico, y'all got some useless phone in Mexico, but you do have to have a plan add-on for that, so stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Of course, plan add-on is required for that. Also has voice roaming capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Set plans include 15 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming, so that is good. The Galaxy A20 also is more hotspot capable. Of course, it says don't get stuck without internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for when they give access. Access vertical plan, so whatever plan you have will have your hotspot there. So do keep that in mind. On specs on this phone, this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. This is a nice phone. The specs are pretty fucking good in my opinion. So the Galaxy A20 features a 4,000 mAh battery, so big battery. 31 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable, of course. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM with the micro SD card slot up to 512 GB. It has a lessened okay. Interesting. That has an octa-core processor. It is Samsung's processor now, so no Snapdragon in this one, so it's X in this chip. Android Pie with 1 UI, 13 megapixel wide angle rear camera with LED flash, and 5 megapixel front facing camera right there in front. The display on the Galaxy A20, like I said before, is 6.4 inches HD plus display, 18 by 9. That is 720 by 1560 pixels Super AMOLED Infinity display. So yeah. So the dimensions on the Galaxy A20 is 6.13 inches height, 1.58 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The Galaxy A20 weighs 5.93 ounces. So there you have it. The Galaxy A20 also features Wi-Fi 4 Bluetooth 5.0 USB-C with fast charging and 3.5 headphone jack. So they right there. What's included in the Galaxy A20 is y'all guys get the Galaxy A20, the charger, SIM card installed, new USB-C cable, important information booklet. So nothing special here. So your standard stuff there in your headphones or nothing like that. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A20, device support can help you out with that. So if you guys need to learn how to do something Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, or on the Galaxy A20, device support can help you out with that. So there you guys have it. Boost Mobile now has a Galaxy A20. It's available now for $199.99 currently on sale. The full retail price is $229 now, but it's kind of y'all guys can get this phone now. It's kind of out of stock. So you keep it in mind. So for $200, it's not a bad deal. I think this is a pretty good deal for a budget phone like this. This is a budget phone. So for $200, it's a win. If you guys can get this phone while it's on sale and get it for $199, it's a great deal. Or if you guys can get it even cheaper, it's even better with 20% off using Summer 2019 as a promo code. That'd be a great option too. But there you guys have it. The Galaxy A20 is now at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys always smile a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll watch you guys next video. Peace out.